Okay, YouTube, Mohawk546 here with yet again another unboxing. This is from Airsoft GI. I'm not entirely sure what's in here, but I'm pretty sure it's airsoft, so let's find out what it is. Bunch of paper. This is what I've been waiting for a very long time. Right here. Open it up and show you what this is. It's a propane adapter. Woo! For my KWA Glock and my, what's it called? My shit. How do I forget my own guns? My I just forgot. I have no idea. Oh, my KJ Works 1911, the OD Green one. A stick type battery. I mean a nunchuck battery. Hopefully you guys know what that is. Nunchuck battery. And what else did I order? Oh yeah. A Condor 1-point bungee sling. This looks awesome. Swag. Okay, that seems pretty good. You guys are wondering probably, oh, is that it? No, it's not it. Of course not. It would send me this big of a box for nothing. I have in here a Airsoft GI, G4 series. I don't know if you guys can read that, but if you guys can, you probably already know what's in there. Oh, this is what I've been waiting for like 1.5 months. Whew! Shit, this is awesome. Exactly what I've been waiting for. The Airsoft GI Diablo. This is the tan one, I'm pretty sure. You guys can see that, it's the tan one. You know what sucks about this? My recent trip to CQ City, I realized that I hate AGs so much. So I already purchased this. So I was like, shit, what am I supposed to do with it? Because I don't even think I'm going to use it. So it's definitely worth the money, but I don't know if I'm going to ever use it. So yeah, this is the gun I've been waiting for. I guess I'll put the flashlight on later. Maybe today I'll go get some, what's it called? Propane, for the propane adapter I just got. So, seems awesome, guys. I'll probably do a review on this. So, thanks for watching, guys. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.